Hey traders, Ilan T is here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st. So happy new month. Hope you're having a good day so far. Today was our first live daily trade room for the month. You can see the performance here. Nothing spectacular, but you will see that 17 pips or 15 or 10 pips every day adds up, so you can build your account slowly and safely this way. Now, normally when I do the recaps of these live trade rooms, I edit them for you only to see the action, when we hit take profit, when we hit stop loss, things like that. But I think there is a lot to learn just by looking at the market. Even when I'm not speaking, when there's nothing happening, with quotes, there are a lot to learn from. So what I did today, I kept the interesting 30-minute, I think, of the room. I kept them together so you can scroll through it and see what you find interesting, the trades, the entries, exits, and even the downtime and just general chat in between. So I hope you enjoyed this version, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
All right, guys. First trade of the day is on. First trade of May of the new month is on. We are short on GA from 185.09. Ooh, nice, nice. Currently 4 or 5 pips. Remember that our risk on this trade is 8 pips. So if I get around 8 pips, I'm going to take partial. As you know my strategy by now. Got this EMA here at 85.02. All right, guys, 6 pips. If we get 1 more pips, I'm going to take partial. Okay, partial. Partial 7 pips out on GA. No change in stop loss. I'm not moving my stop loss, guys. If it will stop us out, I will call this trade break even. This is why, guys, we take partials, especially on GA. Market's frozen. Let's see if we have any news coming out in 12 minutes. Semi-important news on the pound. 45 minutes. And then later on ISM. And as mentioned, of course, FOMC federal fund rate decision focused to remain at 2.5% unchanged. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm pulling off second half out of GA at break even here. Don't like this 5-minute candle. Let's take the 7 pips on half position and see if we have better opportunities. All right, so out of GA, 7 pips. If you close now, you can take even more on the second half because it's fast. But I'm out, guys. I'm out on this trade. If you're still holding, you can now put your stop loss at entry price, and maybe you can squeeze something. I close just just at the top. Nice flag pattern on AJ now. If we break above here, it will look good for our target. Swing target here. I don't have it marked down, but our entry was here. And we're targeting, remember, all the way up here. It's going to be a long move. Can adjust stop loss. Let's see how this one plays. Let me know if any of you are still holding GA. With profit, EC? Okay. You see this here? 2 pips give to broker. Yeah, I know, buddy. AJ is such a slow mover, guys. Averaging around 55 pips a day. Just for the reference, GJ is averaging 150. But I tell you what, even though we're out of GA, GA is weak. Considering it's a pound pair, right? Because let's look on some things, all right? Let's look on the daily here. Strong day yesterday is all pound pairs, and today is so far an inside day, right? Inside range day. GJ further to new highs for the day. GU as well, already filled the week. What else do we have? GBP CAD. The CAD, well, oil is dropping, so this one is shooting higher. And GBP AUD, my mistress, is weak. Oh, weaker. Okay, guys, but I pulled off. I don't want to do anything emotional right now to chase it. Let's take a 5-minute break. I'm back. If you have any questions, you can write them down in the meanwhile, and I'll try to get to them. 5 minutes, and I'll see you. All right, guys. Maybe we have something here on GJ for longs. Nice pull off, but not strong enough. What will be strong enough for me is a retest of this trend line, which is also a nice fib level. 50. Yeah. Anywhere around those areas, I'll be interested in longs. Obviously, it can go higher from here, but it's too aggressive. You remember that I always say that Euro USD is the most beautiful pair? It's the most perfect pair. I mean, look at this downtrend. This is so picture perfect. Tack, 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 tack. Now, what do you think? FOMC? Perhaps this or this, right? Two possible scenarios. If we break and retest this trend line, this is daily, right? We can find ourselves to a new highs to the year at around 115. But if we get rejected out of this descending trend line once again, we're going to drop way lower to create newer lows. So euro is definitely interesting. Stock market, all-time highs, guys. Again, unbelievable. Here, on September 20th, 2018, we reached all-time high at 2,930 for the S&P. Then we crashed throughout the end of 2018, as you all probably know, crashed all the way down here. And since then, not only that we came all the way back up, we're now creating new higher highs for the stock market. Unbelievable, guys. The times that we're in are unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a great time to be trading. Wow, look at the stock market monthly, guys. So essentially, we're now 10 years in a bull market. The longest bull market in history. What do you think will happen after the longest bull market in history? Double top is where we are now. But what I think, the market is going to continue higher. It's going to bring everybody in that thinks that the market will continue to go higher, and it will make you miss that you didn't buy. And then at some point, it has to crash. It has to. Nobody knows when. But the strategy in stocks that's been proven itself for the last 100 years is buy the dips, guys. Buy the dips. We are pre-marketing, continue to go higher, 0.3%. What a miss on GA. I really want to take GJ long, guys, but entry here is dangerous. What we can do is we can just add our line here for this 5-minute broken support, now acting as resistance, and wait and see. I'm not going to take shorts, but if we see any direction for longs, I'm interested. Okay, I'm liking it now because the risk. Long on GJ, 4 pip stop, 4 pip stop, 10 pips target. Let's go. Entries now, guys. 145, 145.55. 4 pips risk. Let's go. As always, this is for educational purposes only, right? Only take this trade if you're interested in doing so. I just like the fact that the risk is so small. You don't see that a lot on GJ. All right, so second trade of the day, long on GJ at 145.55. Stop loss. You know what? Let's take 5 pips risk here. Stop loss at 145.50, and we're targeting 145.65. 1 to 2 risk reward here. GJ long for the fake out. That's it. Four pips. Stop loss, guys. No need to risk more. Modifying stop loss to 51. 145.51. GA also recovering. EU not reacting so well. Up 3 pips on GJ. Up 5 pips. Okay, 6 pips partial on GJ. Now 6 pips out, partial on GJ. All right. All right. Stop loss to break even, no risk. Here we go. Taking another partial now. 7 pips. Okay, guys, 8 pips. We're now 1 to 2 risk reward, 9 pips. Take profit hit on GJ. Oh yeah. Wow, wow. Nice move. All right, 10 pips on GJ. Good job, good job. All right, guys, good job, good job. Great day for us. 2 trades covering 17 pips in profit for today. All right. All right, so as always, in the beginning of every month, we have a brand new spreadsheet that we're filling together here in the room. So this is performance May 19. So today is the first. Took 2 trades for 17 pips, which is $17 with 0.10 lot, $170 with 1 lot, or 1700 if you took it with 10 lots, which I hope you did in a day like today. All right, guys. So as always, big pleasure to have you all with me trading. And let's hope that those kind of days will just repeat themselves over and over. Thanks for the time, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Same place, same time. We're going to trade. See you soon, guys. Thanks.